Alright, welcome to part 4 in how to drive stick shift. In this last final episode in the series, we're just going to put it all together. So in part 1, we were starting from a standstill, shifting into second, the basics. Part 2, we did rev-match downshifting and starting on an incline. And in part 3, we did heel toe as well as double clutch downshifting, which are more advanced techniques. And today, we're not going over any new techniques, but I'm going to go over how I use each of these techniques day to day. So I'll be calling out any of the more advanced techniques. I'm not going to show you, I'm not going to call out an upshift, that's obvious. But anytime I do one of those intermediate or advanced techniques, I will be calling it out and just show you what it looks like to be using these techniques in day-to-day driving. Because the other times we were just focusing on one technique at a time, but that's not how you actually drive stick shift. You are constantly switching between various techniques. So right here is a rev-match downshift. Clutch downshift, rev-match, rev-match, heel toe, rev-match. I'm actually kind of overdoing it. I would probably have just rev-match and not even done a heel toe coming to a stop, but I'm kind of like, I'm adding extra techniques so that you guys aren't bored and you guys can kind of see how it's actually done day to day. So getting up to speed is the easy part of driving stick, right? These are just regular upshifts. That was a rev-match downshift, rev-match. So now to overtake, rev-match downshift, rev-match, rev-match. And as you'll see, the most common thing you do is a rev-match downshift. Heel toe and double clutching are relatively infrequent. You don't actually ever need to double clutch, that's just, again, funsies. But heel toe is useful. If you are approaching a turn, you need to be on the brakes and you want to downshift and remain at the proper RPM, with the proper gear. And as you'll notice, this car is extremely loud on the highway. To speak up a little bit louder for you. Rev-match. Now this is an example where I would normally heel toe, and because there are cars in front, I'm not going to take this turn, this, I don't know what you call this, an off-ramp, an exit to another highway. I'm not going to take this as fast as I normally would, but rev-match, heel toe double clutch, rev-match, these kinds of turns can be fun though, at least I enjoy them in this car. Need them to be clear, obviously. Rev-match, heel toe, rev-match, 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 toe. Heel toe. So again, that was probably a little bit exaggerated. I probably did some more advanced techniques in a few spots where I normally wouldn't, more for illustration purposes, but you get the point. Anyways, I got some errands to run. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this 4-part series was helpful. And if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, etc., you know where to leave them. Much love, and I'll see you guys in that next one.